Welcome to Module 3.2, where we'll explore the philosophical foundations of quantitative research. Understanding these underlying paradigms helps us recognize the assumptions that shape quantitative methods and their application in healthcare research. This knowledge will enhance your ability to critically evaluate research and select appropriate methodologies for different research questions. Quantitative research is historically rooted in positivism, a philosophical stance asserting that an objective reality exists independent of the observer. According to this paradigm, knowledge is gained through direct observation and measurement of phenomena. The researcher ideally remains neutral and detached from the subject matter to avoid bias. Research focuses on precise measurement and verification of hypotheses through empirical testing. There's a strong emphasis on identifying cause-effect relationships that can be quantified and predicted. This approach has been tremendously successful in advancing medical and healthcare knowledge through systematic, replicable methods. Modern quantitative research often reflects post-positivist thinking, which maintains that reality exists, but acknowledges our ability to understand it is imperfect. Post-positivism embraces probability rather than absolute certainty, recognizing that scientific knowledge is provisional. It acknowledges that researchers inevitably influence what they study, making complete objectivity impossible. This perspective emphasizes using multiple measurements and observations to minimize error and bias. It encourages critical examination of findings, looking for alternative explanations, and testing rival hypotheses. Post-positivism retains the rigor of positivism while addressing some of its philosophical limitations. Quantitative and qualitative research paradigms represent different philosophical approaches to knowledge generation. While quantitative research typically assumes an objective reality that can be measured, qualitative research often views reality as socially constructed. These approaches are complementary rather than opposing forces. Each has distinct strengths and limitations. Quantitative excels at measuring how much or how many, while qualitative explores how and why. Choose quantitative approaches when testing hypotheses, measuring relationships, or establishing prevalence. Increasingly, researchers employ mixed methods, integrating both paradigms to develop more comprehensive understanding of complex healthcare phenomena.